Good morning, children. Today, now let us continue with next heading of chapter 3. In last video, I have explained all tools, shapes with copy and paste commands. Now we will continue with the image group. What is image group? Image group is a group that contains commands like select, crop, resize, flip or rotate an image. This is image group. You have already learned how to select an image. You can select the whole or part of an image using select command. There are two types of selection. First is rectangular selection and second free form selection like this. After selecting the image, you can crop, resize, flip or rotate an image. Now, first heading is crop. Crop means to cut off the part of an image. This option allows you to keep the selected area and delete everything outside it. To crop an image. How to crop an image? Follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the part of an image you want to keep using select from the image group like this. Click first select. Click step 2, click crop from the image group. This is the image group and this one is crop heading. The selected part gets cropped image. Resize and skew. The resize command changes the image by making it narrow, wider, shorter or longer. The skew command changes one end of the image while keeping the other end fixed. Resize means changes the appearance of the image. How to resize or skew an image? Follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the image like this. Click resize from the image group. The resize and skew dialog box appear. Now do one of the following. To resize horizontally or vertically, enter the percentage by which you want to change the image and click OK button. You have to enter percentage or resize here. Or to skew horizontally or vertically, enter an angle between 0 and 89 degrees and click OK button. Enter the degrees to skew here. And now you have to click on OK button. First, this one is normal image. After selecting this, 45 degree horizontally resize image. 45 degree horizontally skewed image. Next heading is flip or rotate. Look at the circle given. Do you know how many degrees are there in a circle? A circle has 360 degrees. You can rotate anything at different angles or degrees. For example, look at the pencil. It is in horizontal position. This is horizontal position and this one is vertical. The rotate command is used to rotate an image. Rotate means to turn a picture to the other side. Step 1. Select the image using select from the image group. Step 2. Click rotate from the image group. A drop down list appears with different options like this. First, you have to select image. And step 2, click rotate. And step 3, choose the option you want from this box. First option is flip horizontal option gives a mirror image. Second, flip vertical option gives an upside down image. Third, rotate option rotate an image by the given angle. Rotate right 90 degree. Rotate left 90 degree and rotate 180 degree. Step 3. choose the option according to your choice. First, this is our original image. After clicking on flip horizontal, image will flip to the left hand side. Next, after will flip vertical, image will flip upside down. Next, after rotate left 90 degree, image will rotate to the left hand side. After rotate right 90 degree, image will rotate to the right hand side. After rotate 180 degree, image will rotate upside down. Next heading is invert selection. This option is present in the select command of the image group. Invert selection option changes the current selection. Everything previously unselected gets selected. If there is no selection, the entire area gets selected. It means the area you selected earlier will get unselected by using invert command, and which you did not select it will get selected. Now children, this is it for today. Rest we will study in next class. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.